Welcome to the city of light and love. What makes Paris so special? Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be here. Today, we go on a special journey. We go to Paris. Paris is a very famous city. Many people love Paris. It is in France. I want to show you many wonderful things in Paris. Are you ready? Let's start our adventure. My journey begins. I arrive in Paris. The city is big. It has many streets and many buildings. I feel excited. I feel a little bit tired too from my trip, but I know I will see amazing things. My first goal is very clear. I want to see a very famous tower. Do you know which one? Yes, it's the Eiffel Tower. I walk through the city. I look up at the sky. Then I see it. The Eiffel Tower. Oh, it is very, very tall. It is bigger than I think. It is made of iron. It is a dark, beautiful color. I stand very still. I just look up. The tower goes up, up, up into the sky. It looks like it touches the clouds. It is so impressive. I walk closer. Many people are here. They also look at the tower. Everyone is smiling. I feel happy standing here. This is a dream come true. I walk around the base of the tower. It is huge. I see the details of the iron. It is a beautiful structure. I feel a little small next to it. It is an amazing building. When the sun starts to go down, the Eiffel Tower changes. It gets ready for the night. I wait for the lights. And then, at night, it sparkles. Many small lights turn on. The whole tower sparkles like diamonds. It is a magical moment. It is truly the city of light. I take many photos. I want to remember this special view forever. I love the Eiffel Tower. It is a true symbol of Paris. After seeing the Eiffel Tower, I am ready for my next stop. I want to visit a very big and famous museum. It is called the Louvre Museum. The Louvre is very old. It was once a palace for kings and queens. Now it holds many, many famous art pieces. I walk to the Louvre. It is a very big building. In front of it, there is a glass pyramid. It looks modern and old at the same time. I go inside the museum. It is huge. It has many rooms and many floors. I could spend days here. But I have one main goal inside. I want to see a very famous painting. Do you know which one? It is the Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa is a painting of a woman. She has a very famous smile. People say her smile changes. Sometimes it looks like she is smiling, sometimes not. It is a mystery. I follow the signs. The museum is so big. I walk and walk. I see many statues and many other beautiful paintings on my way. Finally, I find the Mona Lisa. Many people are there. They all want to see her smile. I stand and look at the painting. It is smaller than I thought, but it is very special. I look at her face. Does she smile? Yes, I think she does. It is a wonderful feeling to see such a famous piece of art. The Louvre Museum is full of history and beauty. It is a truly special place to visit in Paris. I feel amazed by all the art. After the museum, I feel a bit tired from all the walking, but my heart is full of art. I decide to take a nice, relaxing walk. I walk along the River Seine. The River Seine flows through the middle of Paris. It is a beautiful river. There are many old, beautiful bridges over the river. Each bridge has its own story. I walk slowly. I watch the boats on the water. Some boats are big for tourists. Some boats are small. The water reflects the buildings of Paris. It is so pretty. On both sides of the river, there are trees and old lampposts. People sit on benches. They read books or talk to friends. It is a very peaceful place. I feel calm here. I see many famous buildings from the riverbanks. I pass by artists selling their paintings. They paint the beautiful views of Paris. I think about the history of this city. How many people walked here before me? How many stories did this river see? The air is fresh. The sun is shining. This walk along the River Seine is perfect. It is a moment of peace in the busy city. I love to just watch the world go by. It helps me to relax and enjoy the moment. The river is like the city's heart. It gives life and beauty to everything around it. I feel truly happy here. All this walking makes me very hungry. I need some food. And in Paris, there is one thing you must eat. It is a croissant. I look for a small, cozy cafe. Paris has many cafes. They are on almost every street. I find a small cafe with tables outside. It looks very inviting. I sit down at a small table. I order a croissant and a cup of coffee. The croissant arrives. It is warm. It is golden brown. It smells so good. It is made with butter, so it is very rich and flaky. I take a bite. Oh, it is delicious. It is soft inside and crispy outside. It melts in my mouth. The coffee is also very good. It is strong and warm. I watch the people walk by. They are talking, laughing. I hear French words all around me. It is a wonderful atmosphere. Eating a croissant in a Parisian cafe is a very special experience. It is simple, but it feels truly Parisian. I feel rested and happy. My energy comes back. This is how you really enjoy Paris. Just sit, eat, drink, and watch. It's a perfect break from my busy day of sightseeing. I love the taste of this warm, buttery croissant. It is so perfect. My stomach is full, and I am ready for more adventure. My last stop today is another famous landmark. It is a very old and beautiful church. It is the Notre Dame Cathedral. I walk towards the Île de la Cité, which is an island in the middle of the river Seine. Notre Dame is there. As I get closer, I see its tall towers. It is a very big church, a cathedral. It has a long history. It is very old, built many, many years ago. The architecture is amazing. It has many details carved in stone. I look at the big rose windows. They are beautiful. Unfortunately, there was a fire a few years ago. Now, some parts are still being repaired. I can see the work happening. But even with the repairs, Notre Dame is still magnificent. It stands strong. It shows the strength of Paris. I walk around the cathedral. I imagine all the people who visited it over hundreds of years. Kings, queens, ordinary people, tourists like me. It is a place of great history and faith. I feel a sense of wonder standing before it. It is a testament to human skill and belief. Even though it is not fully open yet, its presence is powerful. It reminds me of the history that Paris holds. It is a true landmark. It is a beautiful symbol of hope and tradition. I feel privileged to see it. My day in Paris is ending. I saw the very tall Eiffel Tower. I visited the huge Louvre Museum and saw the Mona Lisa. I walked along the beautiful River Seine. I ate a delicious croissant in a cozy cafe, and I saw the grand Notre Dame Cathedral. Paris is truly a magical city. It has so much history and so much beauty. Every corner has a story. I feel tired, but I am very happy. This trip was amazing. I learned many new things. I saw many beautiful places. Paris is a city that stays in your heart. It makes you want to come back again and again. I feel very lucky to have visited. It was a day full of wonderful memories. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Which city do you think is the most romantic? Subscribe to White Eagle for more journeys to beautiful cities.